Looking for great true crime audiobooks? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best books you should consider. And the best part? You can try them all in this Audible free trial. It's time to start listening. Just click this link below and start your free trial now. Number 1, from internationally best-selling author of The Gripping Michael Connelly. Number 1 New York Times best-selling author Into the Lion's Mouth, comes the extraordinary true story of Odette Sansom, the British spy who operated in occupied France, and fell in love with her commanding officer during World War II. Perfect for fans of Unbroken, The Nightingale, and Code Girls. The year is 1942, and World War II is in full swing, by Larry Loftis. Number 2, in 2009, with the dust yet to settle on the financial crisis, a baby-faced, seemingly mild man at Wharton Grad began setting in motion a fraud of unprecedented gall and magnitude, one that would come to symbolize the next great threat to the global financial system. His name is Joe Low, a man whose behavior was so preposterous he might seem made. Number 3, what is it like to learn that your ordinary, loving father is a serial killer? Kerri Rawson, the daughter of the notorious serial killer known as BTK Bind, Torture, Kill, tells the nightmarish story of that discovery and of her long journey of faith and healing. In 2005, Dennis Rader confessed without remorse to the murders of 10 people, including 2 children, acts that destroyed 7 families and wrecked countless lives in the process, by Kerri Rawson. For more great true crime audiobooks ideas, and bestsellers, just click the links below.